Hi everyone, my name is Mohammed, and in this easy to follow tutorial we will learn how to easily remove a background from a picture by using Microsoft PowerPoint. Before starting, just make sure that you are running the latest version of Office so you can follow along. So I am on my PC and there are multiple ways you can add pictures to your presentation. You can do copy paste, drag and drop, and you can also insert a picture by hovering your mouse to insert and then click on pictures and insert picture from this device. And for this tutorial I'll choose this picture. So that's your host. You can see a rice field behind me, and by the way, I spent a lot of time finding this picture because this picture neither contain a solid background nor a very complex background. So one thing you must notice that when I click on the picture, an additional option appears on the ribbon, which is picture format, and when I click off the picture, the option is not visible. So I'll click the picture and then go to picture format, and in the picture format I have multiple options to choose from, which is corrections, color, artistic effects, picture style, borders, effects, and many more. So your PowerPoint also serves a mini editor for your picture. But for this tutorial we will just remove the background of a picture. So I'll hover my mouse to the left and I'll choose this option, remove background, which lies under the picture format. So it takes some seconds and the PowerPoint automatically removes the background from your picture. So you can see that the magenta color is the background and this is the subject of the picture. So I'll click on this keep changes. So in this case, to some extent the PowerPoint does a decent job, but my cap, my hands and my shirt is not showing on the picture. So I'll again go to the option remove background, and again after a few seconds the magenta color is the background. In the background removal tool I have some option which is mark areas to keep, mark areas to remove, discard all changes, and keep changes. So I want some areas of the picture to keep, so I'll click this option mark areas to keep, and a pencil appears on the screen. So I'll draw on the portion which I want to keep. So I'll draw on this, and I also draw on the other hand. So one thing you will notice that the rice field is not clearly removed from the picture. So to remove the area from the picture, I'll go to mark areas to remove, and then I'll draw on this portion. So now I'll click on the keep changes. So you can see that the PowerPoint now does a decent job by removing the background of my picture. So now the background of my picture is completely removed. Now I can insert this image into slide, into a Word document, or I can also save it as a picture. So one thing you must notice that when I click on the picture, a box appears just like the dimensions of my image. So to change it, I'll go to picture format, and in the picture format I'll choose the crop. So I'll crop it from the left, from the top, and from the right, and then I'll again click on this crop. So now I'll go to design, and then I'll go to format background, and then I'll choose get in background. So now I can position my image anywhere in the slide because the background is completely removed. So last but not the least, I can also save this image as a picture. So I'll right click the picture and then I'll choose save as picture. So I'll save this to my desktop and rename it, and then I'll click on save. So when I go to desktop, I'll double click the picture. So you can see that the PowerPoint does an amazing job by removing the background of my picture.